welcome back to the Hyfve New Style Weekly Update. Let's go inside and take a peek.
Good material.
Wow.
Very soft.
Well, thank you so much, Josh. All right, guys, so now we have it all unwrapped. Let's go take a closer look. We have this bottom. It has this nice elastic at the top and on the bottom. You can pair it with combat boots, and I think it would look really cute and sporty. Alright, so up next for 00, we have the basic crop sweatshirt long sleeve. This is a really good shirt for lounging around during fall or winter with your hair in a bun. Actually, hey Thomas! So Thomas, this is a 00 recut from last year. Do you remember it?
Yeah, I remember. Oh, look at this.
The neon,
Yeah.
right? Here we have another recut. So this is a hot ticket item. It is a knitted pullover sweater with a round neck with wide sleeves. We have 12 colors from earth tones to pastel. There's also this seam detail on the sleeves. I love this honey mustard color. You can pair it with almost anything. We have another sweater from 00, the Chanel sweater. Wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. It's really soft. This has 12 colors.
Oh wow, they're
Yeah.
really soft. And I love the big neck. But my one, I think is that one.
That one's my favorite too.
Actually, I'm gonna get this.
So up next for 00, we have this hoodie top. Love how soft this is. This is like perfect for like long road trips or long flights. Love the drawstrings too. I believe we have 7 colors for this, but we only have 2 for now. So 5 colors are coming. So it also has a balloon sleeve. So that's a cute detail. So another sweater for 00. We have the V-neck drop shoulders. I also like the detail on the back. So this cut right here shows a little more of the nape of your neck. So that's really cute.
I love the V, the deep V. Very cool. Very sexy. I like the length on it. Fuzzy. It's like in a cozy way. Perfect for even right now, like transition. It's not too thick, not too thin. I like the seam down the middle. It's a nice little detail.
We actually have 7 colors of these. We only have 2 in the showroom, but we have 5 more coming soon. So stay tuned. So up next, we have this V-neck cardigan. Perfect for winter or fall. I also love these big buttons here. It's on there really sturdy, so it won't fall out. Oh my gosh, so cute! Ta-da! You have a little bear paw moment. This has about 12 colors. I really like how vibrant these colors are. Look at that blue, ocean kind of blue. I love the monotone as well as the vibrant colors as well. This is the 00 signature t-shirt. It's 65% modal and 25% poly. Look how that fabric flows though. That's the modal, baby. It's really nice, isn't it? So hi, Susan.
Hi, how are you? I really like the purple and black.
The black too?
Yeah.
These are so cute.
Yeah.
We have these joggers. We got the elastic up here and down here as well. Drawstring so you can make it tighter. Oh, what do we have here? We have 2 big front pockets. You can fit your phone, wallet, keys, makeup, your house. That is a huge plus. You could pair it with one of our sweaters as well. It's like the perfect tracksuit. We have them in sort of the monotone beige colors. And it also comes in the neon. Oh my gosh, the neon. Back at it again with the neon. Cute set. So let's move on to the next one. We have the crew neck long sleeve crop. Cute detail about this is the tie-dye print. I think it gives it a little bit more pizzazz. This one's a little more faded, but it's so cute. Tie-dye is always gonna be in. It's always gonna be the trend. We also have it in these colors as well. Ooh, this one's pretty. I love all of them. Oh, I don't think he wants to. These tie-dyes. What color is your favorite?
I would say the pink one.
The pink
The
one?
pink one is the back one gray.
Slate blue.
Oh
Slate
yeah,
blue.
those two.
We have this cardi from 00. So soft. This one is a draped shawl. This is a cardigan that Taylor Swift wrote a song about. Nobody laughed.
Oh my god, it's so smooth.
Right?
So buttery.
Yeah. It feels really nice, you guys.
OMG, like I want to keep it on now.
Next, we have the turtleneck sweater from 00. In the front, it's higher, and the back is lower. So that's a cute detail. This is giving me that 70s show vibes. Feels really nice. You could pair it with a t-shirt or a long sleeve, or by itself too. Feels really nice and cozy. Wowza, that's a lot of colors. So we have this in 8 colors. I love this color palette. So cute. Alright guys, we're down to the last for 00. We have the cable knit crop sweater with a drawstring. Perfect for Cali weather when it's cold in the morning and blazing hot in the afternoon. Pair it with a shirt inside, and you can use the drawstring to tighten it and make it shorter. And we only have 3 right now, but we are gonna have more. First up for the FIESTAR line, we have the ruched asymmetrical skirt. And I believe this is a high waist as well. Look how sparkly that is. It's giving me party till 3 a.m. kind of dress, dancing with the girls kind of night. So cute. Look at this detail as well. So it's a slit, so that means you can have your leg out, really sexy. And I love that it's also a high waist, so you have that option to pair it with a crop top. Look at that detail. That looks like Vegas. Like you could like wear this in Vegas kind of dress. You could also pair this up for like a Halloween costume, like a mermaid. Or our second style for FIESTAR is this high waist skirt. It's a split hem skirt. This is really sexy. Business in the back, party in the front. You know what I mean? Look at that slit. That's gonna show your legs. It's so cute. These are hot.
I like this slide.
Me too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yes.
The fabric is very soft and cool to wear with a crop top.
Yeah. So last but not least, we have this dress from FIESTAR. This is a shirt dress with a plunge neck and a tie. This is a really sexy dress, you guys. We got tons of pre-orders for this one. This one's gonna be really popular. I love it's like sexy, but it's also sophisticated.
Yeah.
Because I think it just collar really is like a business look.
Yeah, black.
Black.
It is classic and
All
easy
for
to wear.
black.
Party and also for a dinner.
Moving on to Hyfve styles, we have this V-neck balloon sleeve up first. It reminds me of like the 1800s European kind of style, like Pirates of the Caribbean kind of look. It's a lot of room for it's a lot of arm room. This V-neck is a deep V-neck crop top. You can pair this with jeans or a skirt. It looks really regal, and the buttons here as well. This one might be my favorite, the olive. Can't go wrong with an olive. Pink one is really cute as well. So this is a sweater vest with big buttons. These are even bigger buttons than the one in 00, I believe. Love me some chunky buttons. I love all the colors that we have right now. I love it when the sleeves aren't so tight, so feels fluffy. Love the sleeves. I love it when I can do bear claws with the sleeves. So cute. It's not tight, but it cinches the waist, so it's not fully baggy. But then you have a little baggy at the top. This might be my favorite cardi. So cute. But yeah, come get it before it sells out. This is a two-tone hachi style. So it's like two different colors meshed into one. It also has this nice little pocket detail as well. Really big, you can fit your phone in there or whatever item. And it's also a drop shoulders. You can switch it up and wear a crop top underneath and show a little bit of a shoulder. This comes in 4 colors. So right now we only have this one in the showroom, but there'll be more coming soon. Plaid flannel crop top. It's such a staple to have in your closet. Especially this one, it's sort of like a tiny pattern of plaid. So cute. And on the bottom is like a frayed detail. Edgy grunge look. Like a cool girl style. Good size pocket. Feels so cozy. You can wear it at home or you can wear it out. Like a little 7-Eleven trip at night. I would throw this on. It feels really nice. Up next we have this solid colored dress with puff sleeves and a ruffle hem stitching and also a zip up in the back. I really like how the back looks. It's really cute. And then ruffles on the bottom. This looks like something from Bridgerton. Like if you guys ever watch Bridgerton, the main character Daphne, I feel like this would be in her closet. Perfect for like a semi-formal dinner. So we have 4 colors. Love how it goes from bright to muted. And then we have a basic black. Up next we have this unique blouse. Contrast blouse with 2 different fabrics. Really flowy. And I like how the sleeves are also like a balloon sleeves but not overly baggy as well. And it also has a tie on the side so you can make it tighter as well. And for this one we have 2 colors. We have the gray one and a black one as well. Alright, let's move on to the next one. This is a shacket. It's the cross between a shirt and a jacket. I really like this material. It looks so professional. Has a collar and a button down. Buttons for the pockets as well. We also have a tie, so you can tie it around your waist like a belt. For the bottom, it's a high-low top. Feels really nice and high quality.
I really like that color, especially for the common transition. It's a color that you can basically match with anything.
These are our 2 favorites. And we also have this one, which is a muted mauve, and a black as well. So we have this long sleeve detailed top. Main detail for this top is the puff sleeves and the thin sleeve on the bottom, light ribbed. And it's also a little stretchy. I really like this mauve color. Up next for Hyfve, we have some jogger pants. This is perfect for like athleisure, going to the gym, or looking like you go to the gym. On the ladder, stretchy waist and the bottom as well. Feels really comfy. And the drawstring to make it tighter. And 2 pockets. Let's see how deep these pockets go. Oh, okay. It's a decent sized pocket. You can fit a lot in there. Next, we have another balloon sleeve top. Shiny satin fabric. Feels really smooth. This is an off-shoulder blouse, so we have a elastic at the top. And the sleeve is a little rigid. But there's a lot of arm room. Really flowy and airy. We have 7 colors for this top. This is our first one and the other 6 will be coming soon. Up next we have the crop sweatshirt with an interesting detail. We have a little band on the waist. This band, it's elastic. It looks like you'll have a scrunchie on your waist. That's what it looks like on the back. A mocha color and black. We have this cropped long sleeve shirt. I love that it's cropped, so she's still chic and stylish. Formal enough to wear at work, right? It is a pocket. It is like a diagonal pocket. We have 4 colors for this top. We have 3 right now, but the 4th one will be coming soon. Alright, next one. Alright guys, we have 3 styles left. Let's ask Eric if he can help us out. So, Eric, first up we have this style.
This is one of the better selling styles right now. Not only are you getting comfort, it's a lounge piece. What's good about it is you're getting that little border here, plus it's cropped, so it's kind of covering on the trend right now. You're getting the shorts, you can't go wrong. So definitely must have in your closet, I'd say. Oh, I got that.
This color and this color.
Perfect.
We have this long jacket.
This is a very original piece. We've been doing this for the past several years. Always been one of the best jackets for us. So when you look at a style like this, you get the pockets. It looks like a safari slash cargo. Super easy. Can match with anything. Even probably if you wear it right now over what you're wearing, I'm sure it'll go. This is just a guarantee for anybody. Get the little elastic,
here,
Then
like
you can hood it up like this. There you go.
And a little elastic on the sleeves as well. This black, a little mauve, and a little mustard but muted colors. We have these gingham plaid blouse. What do you think?
Kind of get the off-shoulder skin coming out. Plus you got the long sleeves, so you're kind of covering both worlds. So you can't go wrong. You get the little ruffle details on the sleeves and the neck. So that kind of covers the trend aspect of it. Very simple, very cute. When we first launched the line, we started out with a lot of gingham fabrics, and then it's kind of reminding me, I'm reminiscing now about the beginning, right?
It's like a little nostalgic or
Yes,
something.
very, very, very.
It's so cute. I gotta pick up one of these guys. But yeah, so this is our last style.
There we go.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. We covered 27 styles. I hope you like to see all of them. And we'll see you guys next week for the next Hyfve weekly style update. Bye!
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.